Hi there, it's Mark here again. Got Rob on the camera.
Hi.
And today we've come to do the first run of my TD4 Super Avante. Beautiful thing, isn't it, Rob?
It is.
But that's a bit of a lie, really, isn't it?
Yeah, a little bit.
Because we did the first run, well, we came to the first run yesterday, which was lucky because, Rob, can you show me here? Here was a great big pile of sand, wasn't there?
It was.
And we did a few jumps and stuff over it. So yeah, Rob had his Grasshopper 2, black, didn't you?
I did.
We did a couple of jumps over it, it was quite good. But I had a little problem with the old TD4. Namely that pesky A5 part in the rear diff, wasn't it, Rob?
It was, yeah.
Well, it turned out we just got front wheel drive after about 15 minutes running.
Yeah.
So yeah, we had to stop play. Went back home and I've put steel nut in there. Rob's got a lock nut in case that comes off, but I seem to have got it working again. So fold that, the front wheels move now when I move the back. So fingers crossed, that's fixed. So as you'll see from yesterday, you'll get some shots of it going over the sand lump that was there. We're going to run it on this flat bit for a bit. We're going to try it on some road and on a bit of dirt, aren't we, Rob?
We are.
So I'll let you know what I think at the end.
Cool.
Hope you enjoy it.
You're gonna wear them tyres out, dude.
You got that, Rob?
I did.
It's lovely and smooth on the top.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, I think we better finish now, haven't we?
I think so, yeah.
Alright, let's pick it up. So there you go, guys. You got me, Rob?
I have.
What a car, is all I can say. And I think you agree, don't you, Rob? You like yours probably just as much.
Oh, I certainly do, mate.
So yeah, what do I think of it? It's smooth, it's quiet, it's really neutral handling, don't you think, mate?
Yeah.
It doesn't really understeer or oversteer, unless you want to, of course, give it a bit of a kick. And I've got to say, these wheels and tyres from Absima, they're advertised for the TT4 but they work beautifully on this, and I do like that rubber, so that's a good choice. The only thing is I've put that 17 turn motor in, you can't see. It gets a bit hot, it is overheating, isn't it, mate? So
It did, yeah.
there's no real air cooling around.
No.
And you can't get a heat sink or a fan on it. But yeah, it seems to have gone pretty well. I'm running it on a LiPo and it's all gone good, and that fix to the diff has kind of held up well so far.
So far, yes, sir.
So nice one. Anyway, thanks for watching. Cheers for helping, Rob.
No problem, mate.
Hope to see you all on the next one. Bye.
Bye.